As we delve into 2024, the evolution of woodworking tools has reached new heights, with wood lathes being no exception. These essential tools, pivotal for any serious woodworker, have seen significant advancements in technology, design, and functionality. Whether you're a seasoned professional or an enthusiastic hobbyist, choosing the right wood lathe can transform your woodworking experience. There are many products available to choose from, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews of customers, and compiled a list of the best wood lathe from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Jet JWL21VS. In my assessment, the Jet JWL1221VS wood lathe emerges as the paramount option owing to its remarkable capabilities. Boasting a substantial 1 horsepower HP capacity, it exhibits exceptional prowess in handling diverse wood types effortlessly. Furthermore, its variable speed functionality, spanning from a leisurely 60 rotations per minute RPM to a brisk 3600 RPM, is particularly noteworthy. I find the flexibility it offers in adjusting speeds, especially beneficial for intricate tasks, to be commendable. Moreover, its user-friendly interface for speed adjustments adds to its appeal. Equally significant are its generous dimensions, with a distance between centers DBC of 21 inches and a swing-over bed sub of 12.5 inches, rendering it highly versatile for a myriad of woodworking projects. Number 2. WEN 3424T. For novices venturing into the realm of woodturning, the WEN 3424T model presents itself as an ideal initiation point. Despite its marginally smaller motor, rated at 4.5 amps, it should not dissuade enthusiasts from exploring its plethora of features. With 5 distinct speed options, ranging from a gentle 520 RPM to a peak of 3400 RPM, it provides a comprehensive spectrum of speeds suitable for a wide array of projects. I find these incremental speed adjustments particularly advantageous, especially for individuals new to the lathe craft, as it facilitates smoother transitions between tasks. Number 3. Shopfox W1704. For those discerning individuals seeking optimal value in a wood lathe, the Shopfox W1704 undoubtedly stands out. While it may adopt a benchtop configuration, it remains a stalwart companion for a multitude of woodworking endeavors. Housing a 1/3 HP motor, it delivers adequate power for a benchtop variant. Moreover, it incorporates a variable speed range spanning from 700 to 3200 RPM, a commendable breadth for a benchtop lathe. I am particularly enamored by its robust iron construction, ensuring longevity and durability in usage. Furthermore, the inclusion of 2 tool rests and a 5 3/4 faceplate further accentuates its versatility, making it an economically viable yet dependable option for woodworking enthusiasts. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification to get more information. If you want to know the product price, please do check my description for any kind of problem, and please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it will make your life much easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.